Pvolve Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Pvolve isn't just another fitness program. You won't believe how it combines low-impact movements with resistance training to sculpt your body. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for advanced athletes, but the surprising truth is Pvolve is suitable for all fitness levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Pricing starts at per month for digital membership, which includes access to on-demand workouts, instructional videos, and a variety of exercise routines focusing on strength, mobility, and posture. The annual plan is, which saves nearly compared to monthly payments. Most people underestimate the value of personalized workout plans included in higher-tier memberships, which help users achieve specific goals like toning, joint mobility, or core strength. Pvolve also sells equipment bundles such as mini bands, gliders, and dumbbells. You won't believe how much these tools enhance low-impact exercises, making them more effective than traditional body-weight workouts. Workouts range from 10 to 45 minutes, making it easy to fit into any schedule, and the platform constantly updates content with new routines to keep users engaged. In conclusion, Pvolve pricing reflects the combination of structured workouts, professional guidance, and equipment support. For anyone seeking low-impact, effective, and varied fitness training at home, it offers excellent value. With consistent use, the program can deliver noticeable results in strength, flexibility, and body shaping without the strain of high-impact exercise.